This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Gale Upchurch. Amazing, pristine move-in ready home. Roof 10 years, new replacement windows, double pane / double hung. Rinnai Tankless H20, new 3-ton HVAC unit and ducts. Updated kitchen has stainless steel appliances. Gas / electric convection stove, Silestone countertops. Under cabinet lighting. Laundry room has LG washer / dryer, West / platforms. Remodeled primary bath. Dining room, living room. New vapor barrier in crawl space and Dri-Eaz Dehumidifier Auto System. Entertaining deck. 24 by 30 detached garage features 200 AMP service. 8 tall garage door. 50 AMP for RV hookup. I-beam West / electronic hoist. Garage upstairs provides your very own man cave, party central or apartment, and is on separate meter. Custom heated L-shaped salt pool is built with tanning ledge, auto timer for pumps, auto vacuum pool furniture included. 2 driveways. Driveway to detached garage is 3 cars wide, providing multiple parking. Backyard is completed fenced. Easy access to all of Hampton Roads. For more information, review the details below or contact Gale Upchurch at 757-377-6689.